When does a machine become dangerous? You thought absolutely right. When a human starts thinking less than it. And the machine I'm going to talk about today is no ordinary machine. It has the ability to think. Yes, viewers, I'm talking about AI, also known as artificial intelligence. And this very AI is slowly gaining the potential to take control of our world. Yes, I'm talking about the same AI that we are enjoying using. Look at today's graphic designer. Their skill has been reduced to templates and prompts. Look at the programmer. Their coding skill is shrinking into agentic AI IDEs. A writer finds it difficult to form sentences without AI-generated ideas. Teachers are reading AI-generated slides instead of doing their own research. But the question isn't that AI has become powerful. The real question is, who made AI this powerful? This story isn't just about technology. It's a story of human negligence. And God willing, today we will expose this negligence. Stay with me till the end of the video. I promise not a single minute will be wasted. Earlier, machines only did physical work, factory labor, heavy lifting, and that gave us physical relief, which was a good thing. But now, AI is doing mental work, creative design, coding, voice cloning, video editing, legal documents, marketing strategies. What are the benefits? More work in less time, high efficiency, low cost, 24/7 availability, accuracy, automation. But the harms? They exist, and they're very dangerous. Humans are becoming machine-dependent. Creativity is declining. Why? Because we've handed over the job of thinking to machines. We say, you think, we'll just use it. What do companies want? High speed, cheap labor, work without holidays, no salary raises. And AI doesn't get tired, it has no emotions, it doesn't need vacations, it doesn't ask for increments. That's why AI is the perfect employee for companies, and that's why unemployment is rising. AI didn't become powerful in a single day. Years of effort lie behind it, and three things made it possible: data, computing power, investment. Data. Everything you search, everything you like, everything you write, that's data, stored somewhere on the internet, and that data is food for AI. Computing power. Then came supercomputers, massive servers, cloud systems. These act like a platter for AI, where our data is served to it. Investment. Then came billions of dollars in funding. The world's richest people are working to make AI even more powerful. Why? Because when the system dominates, the share will be theirs. When data plus computing power plus money come together, autonomous AI is born. An AI that learns on its own, improves on its own, adapts on its own, just like a human. And think about it. The ability that Allah gave to humans, we are trying to give to machines. And as for who is making AI smart, AI didn't create itself. Behind it are corporations, tech giants, governments, and their goals are clear: automation, prediction, control. The more the system understands you, the easier it becomes to influence you. Don't believe it? Ask any AI, what kind of person am I? It will analyze your chats and give you an answer. Think about it. A machine may know you better than you know yourself. But the real danger is not AI. The danger is that humans are forgetting their true abilities. AI is fast, but it isn't conscious. AI calculates, but it doesn't feel. AI recreates, it doesn't truly invent. AI itself depends on data, computing power, and investment. Humans have morality, freedom, creativity, free will, and the greatest blessing, faith, alhamdulillah. These don't come from algorithms, they are divine creation. So the question now is, how do we recover from AI dependence? First of all, understand AI as a tool, not a teacher, not an all-knowing entity. Take help from AI, but don't become dependent on it. Develop human-centered skills. critical thinking, deep research, real communication, spiritual grounding. If you stop using your mind, AI will naturally replace you. A machine becomes dangerous when humans start thinking less than it. The ones who build AI may be powerful, but if the human who uses AI becomes unaware, then the system will surely dominate. The decision is in your hands. Will you become a slave to AI, or will you make AI your tool? Technology is not evil, but if humans drift away from their own abilities, someone else will take their place. Where are you investing your time? In building skills or just scrolling? Be a living human being, the human whom Allah has blessed with countless gifts. Don't become an algorithm dependent on constant input. Assalamu alaikum.